Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to my channel. Today we are starting Turk alphabet, the Turkish alphabet. I'll teach you each letter with easy pronunciation. So let's begin. Turk alphabet. A, B, C, C, D, E, F, G, yumuşak G, H, I, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, S, Ş, T, U, V, Y, Z.